Welcome to the NC-SIML eSupport community. Located at esupport.ps.hexagonmi.com, you can click to sign in with your credentials, accessing another perk of the support and maintenance plan. Under the NC-SIML header, you will find the community forum where you can collaborate with NC-SIML developers and other NC-SIML users to gain valuable information that you may not be able to find elsewhere. Visit the knowledge base to find information such as what's new in each version of NC-SIML, tips and tricks videos that are published monthly to YouTube, demo videos for an introduction to the software, CAM interfaces, and specific modules such as optimization, training materials all the way from low-level getting started videos to advanced customization of the control, past webinars that were hosted by NC-SIML, and much more. From the community, you can also access the NC-SIML Doc Center, which contains a searchable database for all functionalities inside the software. If you are a reseller or internal staff, find additional information in the subgroup tab regarding beta versions, upcoming features, and distributable literature. With collaboration across many applications of the NC-SIML software, the eSupport community can be a great way to learn something new, find a solution for a problem, or to discuss the best strategies for an upcoming project.